Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to cancel Greenlight card. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. From here, I will speak about every step that you need to cancel your Greenlight card. No matter the reason for wanting to cancel a Greenlight card, the process is fairly straightforward. You should also know that it's possible to cancel a card without deleting or deactivating your account. Now, how to cancel Greenlight card using an iPhone or iPad. If you're working with an iOS system, you should first open the settings app and tap on your name. Then you will want to go to the subscriptions tab and tap on your Apple ID. The next step is to tap on Greenlight Kids and Teen Banking subscription that you want to remove. Then click cancel. If you don't see the cancel subscription button, it probably means that the card has already been cancelled and won't be renewed anymore. Now, this step is for Android user. If you are an Android user, go to the Google Play Store and verify that it's the right one if you have multiple ones. Click on the menu, go to subscription and choose the Greenlight Kids banking subscription that you want to cancel. Then tap on the cancel subscription option and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process. Now the common thing is how to cancel Greenlight card from the website. In case you don't have the app installed on any device, you can still cancel from the website. Go to the Greenlight banking website and log into your account. In the menu section, you can look for a couple of things: billing, subscription, payment, manage account or settings. Following any of the links, you will receive prompts to cancel your card subscription. Now, how to remove a child from your Greenlight account. When you sign up for Greenlight, you will be able to add up to 5 children to your account through the parental dashboard. But if you want to take them off your account, you will have to fill out a Greenlight form. First, you will have to transfer the funds from your children's account to your parent account. Then, go to the online form and start filling it out. Enter the relevant subject, which in this case would be removing a child from your account. Fill out all the mandatory fields and verify that you have removed the funds from the children's account back to your parent wallet. Carrying out these steps and submitting the form will help you remove a child from the Greenlight account. Now, you also can contact their customer support through the phone or live chat. For this, you have to find out the help center at the learn section. Now click on this. After redirecting you to this link, you will land on this page, and here you can see you can have a number for texting, you can have an email, or you can call them at this number. The number is 888-483-2645. That's all. For cancelling a Greenlight card, you have to follow this step properly. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Thank you for watching this video.